Hello students, how are you? We are going to discuss the topic life processes, that is the second topic from the 10th standard. Now today we are going to discuss after introduction the living organism and the energy productions. Okay, so in which firstly on screen you may see that respiration system is there and boxes are there. In exam the question will ask for the activity based question. Okay, so let's see. In living organism, respiration occurs at the two level as body level and the cellular level. यानी बॉडी में भी रेस्पिरेशन होता है और सेलुलर लेवल में भी होता है. ओके, ऑक्सीजन एंड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आर exchanged between the body and surrounding in case, okay, body and that of the surrounding you may see on screen. In case of the respiration occur in the body level, in case of respiration at cellular level, foodstuffs are oxidized either with or without help of the oxygen. Okay, so here they are saying that respiration occurs at the body level and the cellular level also. In diagram you may see that the nostrils are there, trachea is there, windpipe is there, lungs are there, alveoli are there. Okay, that is the human respiratory system is given. Okay, how many atoms of the CHO are respectively present in a molecule of the glucose? So what is the formula of the glucose? That is the C6H12O6. That is the formula of the glucose. So here C6H12O6 means कार्बन के 6, हाइड्रोजन के 12 एंड ऑक्सीजन के भी 6 आइटम आते हैं ग्लूकोज में. Which type of the chemical bond are present between all these atoms? Okay, what they are asking, which chemical bonds are there? So surely single bond is there. Okay, in terms of the chemistry, what happens actually when a molecule is oxidized? Whenever the oxidations occur, there is a reaction of the oxygen with the metal. We already know in organic chemistry also organic chemistry. Now here they are saying carbohydrate of the food that we consume every day are mainly utilized for production of the energy required for daily need. That means whatever we eat, so it is converted into the ATP molecule, and that ATP molecules are useful for us for doing the various activity. Okay. Now here cellular respiration occurs among the living organism by the two method. Whenever the oxygen is involved, that time it is known as the aerobic respiration, means the respiration in which oxygen is there. जिस रेस्पायरेशन में ऑक्सीजन इन्वॉल्व होता है उसे एरोबिक रेस्पायरेशन कहते हैं. एंड अनएरोबिक रेस्पायरेशन, ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द अनएरोबिक रेस्पायरेशन. Okay, now here you may see that in aerobic respiration three stages are there: glycolysis, TCA cycle, and finally the ETC chain cycle. So firstly, what is mean by the glycolysis? Process of the glycolysis occur in the cytoplasm. सेल का जो साइटोप्लाज्म होता है उसमें ग्लाइकोलाइसिस होता है. और इसमें क्या होता है, मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द ग्लूकोज इज ऑक्सीडाइज स्टेप बाय स्टेप in this process. Okay, and the two molecular of the each, that is the pyruvic acid, ATP, NADH2 water molecule are formed. Okay, then the tricarbonylic acid, that is called as the Krebs cycle. Both the molecule of the acetyl coenzyme may enter the mitochondria में enter होते हैं. Cyclic chain of the reactions called as the tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is operated on its mitochondria. And here molecule like the CO2, H2, NADH2, FADH2 are derived, यानी वो synthesis होते हैं. In anaerobic respiration, last stages of the electron transfer chain. On screen you may see that mitochondria, which is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because whatever the energy that is provided by that powerhouse of the cell, okay, by the mitochondria, that's why it is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Now in which molecule of the NADH2 and FADH2 are formed during all above process? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में NADH2 एंड FADH2 को क्या होते हैं, तो मॉलिक्यूल तैयार हो जाते हैं. बिसाइड द ATP, that water molecule are also formed in this reaction. Thus a molecule of the glucose is completely oxidized in aerobic respiration, and molecule of the CO2 and H2 are placed along with the energy. So NAD means what? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and FAD means that is the flavin adenine dinucleotide. we seen NADH2, FADH2, so that is here mentioned. Now ATP is nothing but the energy rich currency, okay, of energy rich molecule, and energy stored in the bonds by with the phosphate group. Okay, in exam they will ask the question, write a detailed note on ATP. That time you have to write this blue box. Okay, ATP is the triphosphate molecule formed from the adenosine ribonucleotide. It contains the nitrogenous compound adenine pentose sugar ribose. This reaction is here, you may see that phosphates bond adenine ATP that is converted into the ADP. Okay, you may see that. After that one, here you may see that anaerobic respiration in the living organism, the flow chart and process of the energy production through the aerobic respiration, that carbohydrate protein, that flow chart is also given, you may see on your screen. Okay, that will come for the activity based question. After that one, energy production in the microorganism through the anaerobic respiration. Okay, many bacteria, such living organism have to perform the anaerobic respiration for energy production. Glycolysis and the fermentation are the two steps of the anaerobic respiration. Okay, pyruvic acid produced through the glycolysis is converted into the other organic acid. Okay, what they are saying that in exam they will ask what is mean by the fermentation. That time you have to write what pyruvic acid produced through the glycolysis is converted into the other organic acid and the alcohol with the help of the some enzyme in this process, and this is called as the fermentation. With the help of the fermentation, the bakery products are formed. That is the use of fermentation. Seeds perform the anaerobic respiration if the soil is submerged under the water during the germination. Similarly, our muscle cells also perform the anaerobic respiration. Now here on screen you may see that amino acid and the types of amino acid. So not types of the amino acid. The examples are given in that diagram. That mean in muscles in which form the amino acid form is there. So that is the actin, myosin. In the pituitary gland, that is the various hormones. Then the pancreas, various valve cells are there. Bones, ozine, skin, melanogen, keratin, blood, hemoglobin, antibodies are present. Okay. Then you may see that after that one important point from is that what they are saying, that types of the vitamins. Vitamins are the group of the homo heterogeneous compound which it is essential for the proper operation of the various process in the body. So these are the A, B, C, D, E and the K. Out of A, D, E, K are the fat soluble, but B and C are the water soluble. Okay. So here they are saying that vitamins are of this type, and vitamins like the riboflavin, that is the vitamin B2, and the nicotinoid, that is called as the vitamin B3 respectively, are necessary for their production also. After that one, in our body 65 to 70 percentage water is there. Each cell contains 70 percentage of the water, weight by weight 90 percentage of water, that blood plasma contains this one. Here water is the essential nutrient. Okay, all whatever the reactions present in our body are takes place with the help of the water in the blood. After that one, mitosis, meiosis, so prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and lastly telophase. These are the phases of the mitosis. You may see in the diagram. Okay, that is the firstly what happened, that chromosomes are there. In metaphase, prophase, what happens, so diploid cells are formed. Then after that, with the urokinesis, cytoplasm is also, that is cytokinesis. Okay, that breakdown of that one two daughter cells in separate part. After the cytokinesis, firstly the nucleus is subdivided, and after that one the cytoplasm is subdivided and two daughter cells are formed. These are the some stages of the mitosis, not same that four stages. After that one, meiosis. In meiosis you may see anaphase is there. Okay, so second step is like the that one. So meiosis 2 is just like the mitosis, not the first. Meiosis 2 is nothing but the mitosis. Okay, so in this stage the two haploid daughter cells are formed in the meiosis first. Okay, undergo the division. They are saying that same production of the gametes is there. Okay, so in this chapter we discuss the introductory part, then the what is mean by ATP. Okay, then how the ATP is formed, what is mean by the anaerobic and aerobic respiration, how the living organisms breathe, then the living organisms and the life processes. Okay, whatever part in one short video we discuss. So I hope you understood this one. So please subscribe my channel, share it. Okay, thank you.